Hello, my dear students. Let us continue Kingdom Animalia. Next phylum is Annelida. Annelida means segmented or ringed worms. They live in aquatic, moist, and terrestrial habitat. Some are parasitic. They have tough, flexible, fibrous outer covering called cuticle. So their body is covered with cuticle, which is a layer of tough, flexible, and fibrous cells. Body divided into segments by septa. So septa separate each segment of the body. Mostly have well developed circulatory, excretory, and nervous system. Each segment may have paired organs for locomotion. So these are not proper legs, but they can move with the help of these organs. Digestive system is a long tube with mouth and anus. So digestive system has two openings. For example, leech, earthworms. You must have seen earthworm during this rainy season. So here it is an earthworm and leech that sucks the blood. Phylum Arthropoda. Arthropoda means having jointed legs. That's it. They have joints in their legs. They have segmented body. Segmented means their body is divided into different parts. And paired limbs. Paired limbs as in case of us. Paired limbs. 2 pairs, 3 pairs, 4 pairs that have joints. Then they have a tough exoskeleton that is made up of chitin. So exoskeleton is quite tough. It is like a shell. So it is, as you have seen that cockroach, the outer shell is somewhat tough and the soft body is inside the shell that is protected. And this exoskeleton is made up of chitin. Have well developed organ system, a body fluid called hemocoel circulates within body cavity called hemocoel. This hemocoel is the name of the cavity, and the fluid that circulates in this cavity is known as hemolymph. So as blood circulates in our body, so arthropoda, they have hemolymph. Mostly lay eggs, but some scorpions, they give birth to young ones which look like their parents. For example, spiders, crabs, scorpions, etc. Phylum Mollusca. Mollusca means soft-bodied animals. My dear students, you must have seen shells, कौडियाँ, शंख, ये आपने देखे होंगे. तो ये एक तरह के ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं. ऑर्गेनिज्म दैट लिव इनसाइड दैट शेल. वो हार्ड शेल जो है इनकी बॉडी प्रोटेक्शन के लिए होता है. So these are soft bodied animals. They have a soft body covered by a hard shell. Most of these have a specialized feeding structure called radula. They have a feeding structure that is known as radula, with the help of which they feed on. They have open vascular system. As in our cases, my dear students, our blood does not flow open. It flows in the blood vessels. But in mollusca, the blood vascular, that blood is not there. Whatever flows in their body, that is open vascular system. Example, snails, octopus, etc. Phylum Echinodermata. Echinodermata means having spines on their body, कांटेदार body. Are marine animals, so mostly found in seawater. Come in variety of shapes and colors. So animals in this group, they have different shapes and different colors. Have an internal skeleton of small bones like structure. Now they have an internal skeleton. Body can be divided into 5 equal parts. Now if you cut their body, it will be cut into 5 equal parts. Body have water filled canals which help in feeding and sensing. So they suck in water and the food comes into their body, so along with water, and that is taken by the organism. And also for sensing. Sensing means it act as a sense organ also. Some have 2 feet for feeding, 2 feet, and 2 feet help in feeding, respiration, and for attachment. They attach on some surface. They are like rubber suckers. They show regeneration. If any part of their body is broken, so it can regrow again. Examples are starfish, sea urchin, and sea cucumber. Now in this picture you can see picture of starfish and sea urchin. Now my dear students, this is our invertebrate portion is over. So read all the phyla. These 8 phyla. There at least there are 2 features and 2 examples. Thank you and have a nice day.